create my everyday makeup look. This is a super natural look that I would go for if I have something big that I need to be doing that day and I just want to do something really soft and natural and pretty that kind of accentuates my natural beauty or whatever, and it's just a very sheer kind of coverage. But if you guys want to see this makeup look, keep watching. So first I'm going to use my Sephora Bright Future Skin Tint, and I like this because it has an SPF of 20. So I literally just take a dab of it and I apply it just straight onto my face. I don't use primer or anything because I don't wear makeup that much to wear, you know, invest in some primer. But this is what I do. Then I go in with a damp beauty blender and I just kind of press the skin tint into my skin. I like this one because it's a really sheer tint, so it doesn't cake up your face. I like to have that natural kind of look, so I like that you can still see all of my freckles and everything like that. So next I go in with my favorite concealer, which is NYX, and it's in the color beige, and I just take a little bit of that and apply it underneath my eyes, and I just dab that in as well. So once all the concealer in, you see it kind of brightened up my eyes and such. So once that is all in, I like to just go straight into eyebrows, so I just take my spoolie and I brush my eyebrows up. And sometimes I will use some of my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel, but sometimes it does flake up, so more than likely I just kind of brush my eyebrows up and kind of try to create a full effect with them because they are very thick. So once I have my eyebrows brushed the way I like, I then go in with some translucent Wet n Wild pressed powder that I just recently got. I don't do anything in order, as you can see. I just do it how I feel, but I take my brush. I use this brush for everything. But I basically just go in and get rid of some of the oily spots. Even though I'm one of those people who doesn't like mind really oily, like, spots, like that doesn't bother me. I think it just creates a nice dew, or maybe I just don't care. So once my face is all mattified up, I'm going to go and just do my blush and all that jazz. So I go in with my Pixie by Petra, and it's in the color Beach Rose, and it is one of my favorite blushes ever. And I just do my apples of my cheek, and I do like the bridge of my nose. And I think it just plays up freckles really well. Then I put a little bit on the tip of my nose. So after I do that, I do go in with this Luna highlighter, and it's in the color, doesn't have color, awesome. But it is this Luna Baked highlighter, and I absolutely love it because look at this pigmentation. You see it? That pigmentation is everything. So I go in with my Unicorn highlighter brush, and I literally just dust it on top, and I kind of go across in an angled position and over the apples of my cheeks, tips of my nose, and on my cupids. Just give me a really highlighted look because I like to blind people with my highlighter. So next I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I guess I would do that. And I don't know, usually I do golden eyeshadow, and I use my trusted Naked 3 palette. So I think I might actually do this color, which is Int Cosmetics, and it's in the Goddess Glow shade. And I'm gonna take one of my kind of angled brushes, and it's by Firma in 202, and I just kind of circle it around, and I just put it on my eyelids. I think gold eyeshadow is so flattering on everyone, so I just love gold, and I love shimmer, and I think shimmer eyelashes are eyelids are so pretty. So once I have all the shimmer on my eyes, so I'm actually going to go in with my Naked palette and kind of darken up my creases just a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my Furless, and it's in the number Me 3. And I'm going to take Factory by Naked 3, and I'm just going to place it right there. Bring you guys in some this way, you guys. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into the crease. And I'm going to just buff it out. So yeah, it's just a really super natural look. If I'm feeling a little saucy, I will go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner in this like electric blue color, but I'm just going to avoid that today because usually I don't do that. So I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Black Length and Volume Mascara, and I just do one coat. And so last but not least, within like the face makeup realm, I'm going to go in with my Lisa Frank Glamour Doll Ben Bronze Matte Bronzer. That was a mouthful. And I'm just going to take the same brush I used for my blush, and I'm just going to go just create a little definition on my cheeks. So usually this is my favorite color, and it's by Maybelline, and it's the Crazy for Coffee number 275. So I'm going to just plop that onto my lips, and then usually I'll use an NYX or this other brand, I don't know the name of it, but I'll use that on top of the lipstick. But this is the Swiss Rosebud Salve. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to go in with my lipstick, and I'm just going to apply that straight to my lips. That is the everyday makeup look that I create when I'm feeling a little spicy and I want to dress up my face just a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big old like and comment down below some of your favorite products that you use in your makeup routine every day. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll check you guys out in the next video. Bye, you guys.